Alright, here we're in the campground. I'm in a little fenced-in area. He just loves to pee everything up. And I just cleaned up one thing from her, and she went to the bathroom again. This one here is going to stare at me until I take him out of there. But the only reason I worry about it, I have it all on this, like this. Of course, they don't go on the pee-pee pads, they go all over the rest of it. Is I don't want them to breathe the spores they could get valley fever from, which I hope they're going to be alright. I'm only going to be here 2 nights, so we'll be home Friday. So, if anything happens, I'll do it right away. I'll go home. But right now, they're just chilling. She had something to eat after we drove for like 5 hours. It took 5 hours to get here because my RV would only go 25 miles an hour going straight uphill, which I didn't know about. So now I'm down 200 feet below sea level. I just hope I make it going back. So it's positive thinking though. Alright, so there's the dogs. They're chilling. Talk to you later. Stay tuned.